Hey y'all, ladies, leave your man at home. Sis, we going on vacation, and if you ain't sissing, bro, we going on vacation. Friend, we going on vacation. We going on vacation, friend. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready though? Okay, y'all ready? Okay, this is gonna be super exciting. We're going jet skiing. This is gonna be so much going on, so I need you to stay tuned throughout the whole vlog. Can you promise me that? Hey y'all, I can't believe I came up here like this, but I'm about to go get a retwist. That's why I'm here. I got my locks, but they shrinked up like really bad. Not even just the shrinkage, it's the slippage. I know when something happens in an Aquarius life, the evolvement goes up. So you're about to be seeing a lot go on in the next couple of months, next couple of days, next couple of weeks, next couple of years, because if you know Aquarius, she continues to level up each time. Next weekend, I'm going to Curaçao for my birthday, y'all. I'm turning 23 this year. I still can't believe it. Can you believe it? Like, why does time fly like that?
Baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me, baby girl, another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say, upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dime, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM.
We gotta retweet, we gotta retweet, we gotta retweet. Real quick, we started our maintenance vlog. I just grabbed some food. I'm a little bit late to my nail and feet appointment before my vacation, but we're gonna do our intro and everything else soon. So let's get up in here for the second time.
Go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and close from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey, hey, chepe, ninja tombong panta, yeah maybe. Ikata minto, kata for minto, baby, nice walk or no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. In no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and close from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends now. With your friends now. Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean. Yeah, she deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. If it didn't know, with my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like ocean, baby. Yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean.
We're just one day away from our trip, and I'm checking in because we about to get our hair done. The girl about to get her hair done. Hey, hey. Hey y'all, ladies, leave your man at home. Hey, cause your girl is eating. Are you here for the Curaçao vlog? So my 23rd birthday is on February 11th. Today is February the 5th. Yep, today is February 5th, and I'm going to Curaçao tomorrow. So I got my hair done today, got my nails and my toes done yesterday, and almost done packing, and I'm just ready. So I hope you're ready for this vacation. Are you ready, baby? We're going out the country. You're coming along with me. Sis, we're going on vacation, and if you ain't sissing, bro, we going on vacation. Friend,
We going on vacation. We going on vacation, friend. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready though? Okay. Y'all ready? Okay, this is gonna be super exciting. We're going jet skiing. This is gonna be so much going on. So I need you to stay tuned throughout the whole vlog. Can you promise me that? Can you promise me that? Just let it play at least. Let it play. You feel me? You will catch the moments that you need to see. All right, what you think about that? I think that's a good deal. All right, I'll see y'all later. But y'all see the wig though? It's eating, ain't it? It's eating. She eat. Yeah, I got a date night. I don't know if I can call it that, but I got a date night. Yeah, with my boo. Y'all know him. Y'all done seen him on all my vlogs. That's my husband. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Have a good day, guys. Thank you.
You too.
Yeah, I like that.
You funny, so you part of it.
That means shit.
It's return. Looks nice already, y'all. We just landed. Ready? Me too. My bad, P. Show me shit up.
I don't really show nothing but love. Bobby. Hey, Bobby.
Oh, y'all already did? Okay. Yep.
Oh, we should have.
I'm lying. We're not in Aruba. A lot of things are walking distance to the hotel. Y'all see it? It sure do.
Smell fresh. Where do you go have this baby? Oh, this is a room right here.
Yes, I like that bed. Looks nice too. Okay.
I'm glad they got a mirror. Yeah.
Right over here. This how my apartment looks.
Really?
Yes.
This the
Love
I'm
them.
just saying we have a fridge.
The bar.
The normal basic things you put in the fridge are 2 Coke, 2 water, and 2 beers.
That's gonna be charged to my card, so no thank you.
No, but it's not so expensive, so you can see the prices out there.
Thank you.
There's some napkins here. You recorded.
Yes, I am. Don't even walk through it because I'm not copying nothing.
What have you napkin in? What is that? I don't see none. Girl, the shit ain't on
It
that.
ain't nothing in here.
It might be in the cabinet.
You know these cabinets ain't nothing but pots and utensils, dish detergent.
How about this piece right here? They supposed to put like at least one extra roll.
Yeah, the safe. Yeah, she wants to be chased. We in Curaçao, we better eat. A girl is hungry, so what you think? Let me show y'all the interior design though. We haven't done nothing yet but get dressed, but do y'all see this? It's giving. Nighttime vibes of the resort. If you recording him, yes, recording. Is the camera on? I just told you, yeah. Go ahead. It's not a lot, but it is good though. Crazy. It's definitely giving high end. Ooh, like chicken, it's fresh stuff. Great stuff. Yeah, arugula. It's what? Arugula. So we made a little U-turn. Now we found Stripers. We're gonna walk to this food truck first. Over here.
So, we have Reiki's, grills, and salads. Let's get into this plate. Got macaroni salad, shrimp, and rice and peas. Yes, they got real chicken wings. Yes.
Do y'all have fish sandwiches? Yes, fish. Okay. Can I do 2 orders, please? For the first order, let me get a fish combo.
What kind of drink?
Freshly cooked.
Freshly cooked, please.
With a large and a small fry.
Do you have anybody to speak English?
Yes, but can you communicate with me so I can understand you?
Excuse me?
Can you communicate with me so I can understand you?
Oh, there's somebody in the front of me. I can't move yet.
Can you communicate with me?
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. What you say, sir? I'm here. What you say? Could I get a fish combo, please? Freshly cooked.
With a Sprite, no ice.
With the Sprite, no ice.
Y'all, so that's how this night ended. We pretty much got our food, you know, and we went back to the room. Pretty much just listened to music. They had a couple drinks. I probably had like one. I don't really like the drink, y'all. It's not really my thing. I don't like the way drinking make me feel. But yeah, we had a good time. First day when we go on vacation is always pretty chill, but please come back for the next vlog. You're gonna see me on the jet ski, on the jet ski, and a lot more that this trip had to offer. I appreciate y'all for tuning in to my beginning of my birthday vlog. It was amazing, for real.